Happy Wednesday from Stockholm, 2nd of October 2024, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We continue with the beach adventures as scheduled, and today is beach number 160 of my Sweden beach adventures. And I am once again at Ekudden nudist beach. This is a spontaneous nudist beach spot on the lake Flaten that I have shown you a few times before on my channel. But now I'm continuing with the beach adventures anyway, and I see a lot of views for the nudist beaches on my channel. So I continue to show those that are close to my home. And this one is just 8 kilometers away from my home. It took me 21 minutes to get here with my Scott gravel bike. And there is nobody on the nudist beach, obviously, as well as there is nobody on the 3 public beaches on the other side that I can see in the distance. Nobody is swimming currently in the Lake Flaten, as obviously the hot summer season is over. We have currently 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and I have just measured in the lake, it is 15 degrees Celsius. So the temperatures are going down and down constantly each day, and it will be a lot more challenging to swim soon and obviously colder. So this is in the Flaten Nature Reserve, obviously in the middle of the forest, and there is here very nice spots to enjoy and lay in the beautiful hot summer days. But even now, oh, there's a fish, there's a dead fish here. Oh boy. Yes, there are lots of fish in the lake here. See people fishing around, but how did that fish ended up here, I'm not really sure. Okay, so yes, beach adventures with Chris, and I think I'm gonna get in here actually now on this spot, as previous times I went in on the other side. So yes, it's time for another swim, and October is here, 2nd day of October. I have only 40 days left now to complete my goal for this year, at least to pass the goal from last year, which was 200 beach days I managed. Last year my last swim was on 1st of December, so meaning that we have 2 months left to finish 40 days. So if something unusual happens in November, then we are on a good path if we go through all of October, and then I have only 10 days left in November to reach the goal. So yes, Flaten Lake this is, and Wednesday indeed. We can see through the water, it is super amazing and nice. And let's then get going with a swim in the Flaten Lake. Cloudy day today with the sun appearing very shy on the sky. And yeah, very nice nature over here, but quite cold, as it is, though it is 11 degrees Celsius, it doesn't feel that much cold since the water is warmer right now. But yeah, I see lots of people with winter jackets on the other side of the lake, and they are wondering what is this person doing in the water. But they don't know that I'm doing beach adventures every day, except December, January and February. So 9 months of the year I'm doing beach adventures. So yes, greetings from Ekudden at Flaten Lake. It is time then for the swim of today. So let's go take a swim on this nudist beach in Stockholm. Super nice. Super nice feeling indeed. It's beautiful. What a wonderful feeling. It's not that cold if you are acquainted to this type of temperatures. It's quite pleasant, to be fair. And colder it will get. So yeah, let's swim a bit more. Beautiful indeed. Ekudden in Flaten Nature Reserve. Another day in the books, another beach adventure with Chris. Beautiful. Alright, so that's a wrap from Ekudden nudist beach on the 2nd of October, visit number 160. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me as usual, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!